Morning. Oh, apparently I'm with the mute crew. Morning.
Morning. Morning.
We're going to some waterfalls this morning. And I'm driving a moped by myself. I'm not. Blah. We'll be fine, yeah?
So if all the next footage is crap, it's because Aaron was recording it.
Oh yeah, you're going to have a go with some B-roll.
I don't want this.
You're going to try the B-roll?
I'll go for the B-roll.
I'll go for the B-roll. Because if it's crap, I just won't use it. Okay, see you maybe on the way. Maybe there, or I'll be dead. Bye.
Smile, we're on camera.
Just tell me, baby, who's up by your side? 'Cause every day and night I'm about to lose my mind. We're like birds of a feather by design. You know I kiss but never tell. Oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know I will.
Hello, we made it.
Alive.
No one died. No one crashed.
Oh, neither we. No one cried.
No one cried. Well, you couldn't see me. I was by myself.
You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing. You make me feel like Michael Jackson.
What are you doing?
You are not alone, I'll be there long as you need it. So undefeated, you know why? Kiss but never tell, oh, I just wanna take a chance. The way you move it gets me grooving on the dance floor. You know we should find a way and I'll take you to the moon. So baby, here's the deal, me and you should chill. 'Cause the way you make me feel, I feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move. You make me feel like Michael Jackson. You know it's in the way you move, way you move, way you move. You got me singing.
We're getting in. How far do you think I'll get in?
This far?
Is it really cold?
Yeah.
Why are them people so far in? Freezing? Did not need bikini for this. Are you getting in?
Dry suit. Yeah, got it there. That's not right. It's a bit slimy though.
Yes, but it's freezing.
Come on. Boob shot for YouTube.
No.
You are the biggest baby.
Oh my god,
ever.
it's freezing. And slimy.
It is a bit slimy. Do you want this?
Aaron's not come in, he's over there. He's nice and warm still, I reckon. Oh, it's not too bad now, but I don't want to put my
Someone
boobs
just
in.
swam past my feet.
No!
No. So hold on to it if one
Why?
of us goes down. I think it just stays this deep and everyone starts crouching.
I don't know.
I'm going past the point of no return.
What's that?
Balls. Oh no, it definitely starts to go down.
Oh, I just dropped a bit.
Ooh, that's cold.
I paused and I think now I'm trapped in this level. Wayne just flashed me. And also, there's fish in here and
I'm not sure if they're fish or like crayfish.
I don't like
They
them.
feel like claws.
Should we get out? Ah, that was you.
Bad idea.
Hello. We're back. Washed, showered, alive. After driving back. It was like rush hour.
Yeah, I don't know if it's when the kids finish school.
This is beer.
Yeah, beer o'clock. But it was good, the waterfalls. I would say they're some of the best waterfalls I've seen in Asia. The water's actually as blue as it looks on the videos. Apparently it's not in rainy season, so...
Oh, is it? No, it's muddy.
No, yeah. But, yeah, and it was not... and you can actually swim in them, which you can't a lot of the waterfalls, so... Yeah.
We went to the butterfly garden after that. I didn't video any of it because it's a bit rubbish.
But apparently they're down, they're like sponsor the local kids for schools, so...
Okay, so...
Beer o'clock.
Beer o'clock.
Tomorrow we get the train to Vang Vieng. Just do some more adventurous stuff.
Yeah. See you there.